Township Entrepreneur Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekas.
Hello, my name is Itumeleng Makgato. I'm a founder of Nurture Personal Care, and our business is based in Atteridgeville. My business is skincare products. We manufacture skincare products including body lotion, shower gels, and body creams. Our business blends unique Asian wisdom with innovation in modern science with making skincare that is more effective. We have body lotion for men and for women, body creams and shower gels. And you can find us on Amazon and Take a Lot, and also our website www.nurturepersonalcare.co.za. You can contact me on itumeleng@nurturepersonalcare.co.za. Hello, my name is Itumeleng Makgato. I'm a township entrepreneur.